Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing apps from the home screen on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the Home button on your remote and then go to the app that you would like to remove from your TV's home screen. Hold down on the OK button and then tap Remove from the options. Select Remove on the pop-up. That app is now removed from your home screen, but you can still find it on the Apps page of the TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.